Looking for the best curling irons of 2025? Whether you're after flawless beach waves, silky curls for fine hair, or a tool to tame thick locks, we've got you covered. From rotating curling irons to versatile curling wands, this year's lineup promises salon-quality results right at home. We've tested everything, from Babyliss curling irons to T3 curling tools, to bring you the ultimate list, tailored for every hair type and style. Ready to find your perfect match? Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell icon for updates. And don't forget, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description. Let's dive into your next great hair day. The Dyson Airwrap Exclusive Bundle is a revolutionary styling tool that redefines hair care with its advanced technology and versatility. Designed to curl, wave, smooth, and volumize without extreme heat, this tool is a favorite among those seeking effortless yet professional results. The Airwrap uses Dyson's patented coando effect, which gently wraps hair around the barrel using air. This feature not only protects your hair from heat damage, but also ensures long-lasting, natural-looking curls and waves. The bundle includes multiple attachments for different styles, making it suitable for all hair types, from fine to thick. Its intelligent heat control and powerful motor ensure quick styling, while the lightweight design enhances usability. While it may come with a premium price tag, the performance, versatility, and ability to replace multiple tools make it worth the investment. For anyone looking for the best curling irons of 2025, the Dyson Airwrap is a must-have. The T3 SinglePass Curl X is a top pick for achieving flawless, long-lasting curls. Its extra-long ceramic barrel ensures even heat distribution, making it ideal for styling longer hair. With 9 adjustable heat settings, it caters to all hair types, from fine to coarse, providing consistent results without unnecessary damage. One of the highlights of this curling iron is its SinglePass technology, which guarantees fast styling by maintaining precise temperature control. The sleek design and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. Perfect for both casual and formal looks, the T3 SinglePass Curl X delivers smooth, shiny curls that last all day. If you're searching for the best curling irons of 2025, this tool is an excellent choice for precision and reliability. The TYMO Airflow Styler 2.0 combines the power of a flat iron and curling iron in one sleek device, making it a versatile choice for anyone who loves experimenting with hairstyles. Its Ionic curling wand ensures frizz-free, shiny curls or straight styles, and the Anti-Tangle design simplifies the process. With 5 temperature settings, this tool is suitable for all hair types, and its dual voltage capability makes it perfect for travel. The 1.25-inch barrel is versatile enough for both short and long hair, and the airflow vents keep your hair protected from heat damage. If you're on the hunt for the best curling irons of 2025, the TYMO Airflow Styler is a convenient and effective option for multi-style versatility. The Nice Bay curling iron combines affordability and performance, making it a great choice for everyday styling. Its 1.25-inch ceramic barrel ensures smooth, even heat distribution, while the fast heating technology allows you to start styling within seconds. The temperature LED display and adjustable settings up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit give you full control, making it suitable for all hair types. With a 60-minute auto shut-off feature and wide voltage compatibility, it's both safe and travel-friendly. This curling iron creates soft, bouncy curls that last all day, earning it a spot among the best curling irons of 2025 for those who value practicality and performance. The Beachwaver curling iron is the ultimate tool for effortless, beachy waves. Known for its rotating barrel, it simplifies the curling process, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. With adjustable heat settings and a ceramic barrel, this curling iron protects your hair while delivering smooth, long-lasting waves. The lightweight design and intuitive controls enhance usability, allowing for quick and consistent styling. Perfect for achieving the relaxed, wavy look that's always in trend, the Beachwaver earns its place as one of the best curling irons of 2025, combining innovation with user-friendliness. The Usmouth Professional Styling Iron is a sleek and professional-grade tool perfect for creating both curls and straight styles. Its 1-inch ceramic plates provide even heat distribution for a smooth finish without damage, making it a reliable choice for various hair types. This styling iron heats up quickly and features adjustable temperature settings for precise control. Its ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while the lightweight build makes styling less tiring. Whether you're after loose curls or sleek straight looks, the Usmuth iron delivers salon-quality results. For those exploring the best curling irons of 2025, this tool's dual functionality and professional-grade performance make it a standout option. The Neuro Curl XL Titanium Curling Iron is designed for creating voluminous, long-lasting curls. Its 1.75-inch titanium barrel heats up quickly and retains consistent heat for effortless styling, even on thick hair. The adjustable temperature settings allow for precise control, while the spring-loaded clamp ensures secure styling. This curling iron is perfect for creating loose, glamorous curls or adding body to straight hair. Durable and efficient, the Neuro Curl XL is a top contender among the best curling irons of 2025, offering performance and reliability for all hair types. The Neuro-style titanium flat iron is more than just a straightener. Its 1-inch plates allow for versatile styling, from sleek straight looks to soft curls. The titanium plates heat up rapidly and maintain consistent heat for fast, smooth styling. With adjustable heat settings, this flat iron suits all hair types and ensures minimal damage. The ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to handle, while the advanced features deliver salon-quality results at home. For those seeking the best curling irons of 2025, this tool's versatility and efficiency make it a great addition to any hair styling routine.